introducing our new Mini Fisheye network camera. With its panoramic view, high cost efficiency, ultra compact design and comprehensive feature set, it brings up a new security level to private homes, convenience stores, hotels and restaurants. And of course that it's part of the EasyFish Cloud series. So there's no need for port forwarding. It can send push alarm notification to mobile devices like iOS and Android, and it can be set up by scanning the QR code that's inside the box. This camera is supported by our free IVMS and implemented in third-party software.